My name is Albert. I'm 24 years old. I am from Cameroon, and I'm here to do the internship in civil and structural engineering.
Touch the ground and it feels like I can see.
I'm doing the internship in the area of civil and structural engineering, and I'm more focused on buildings, the residential houses and commercial houses, and sometimes football stadiums. Believe me, the tasks, they are very professional, and honestly they are not meant to be easy. Most of the times they are about designing, analyzing and making some drawings. So I spend my time using some powerful software to actually make sure that the building is actually built in a safe manner. So the tasks are more about drawing, analyzing and making calculations. Well, before I came here, I had one goal. When I arrived here, I had one goal, and I still have the same goal. It's to get experience. This is what I'm looking for, and thanks God, this is what I'm getting since I've been here. It's been a great experience because what I was looking for, it's actually work for a big company where I can actually learn from experienced civil engineer. And believe me, the experience that I'm getting here is actually huge. I'm sure that after this internship, I'll be kind of special.
My feet can't touch the ground, and it
When I finished my academic studies in the UK, I had to think about where I will be in the next few months. So I had two options in my mind. I had Australia and I had China, but I had to make the best choice. So because the UK is already an English-speaking country, I wanted to try something new, something different, something that stands out as well. So I then pick up China, and mainly for the reason that the longest bridge ever built on the planet is in China, and also what I believe is the safest building is already here in China. So this told me that possibly the Chinese engineers, they're actually very powerful, so I decided to come here and do the internship, especially in Shanghai, which is a big city in China.
and it feels like drowning, pulling against the street.
Well, China, well, the first thing that I've noticed about Chinese people is that they are very good when it comes to welcoming foreigners. I was welcomed here in a very good way. I love the food, I love their behavior, and they are friendly, although sometimes a bit conservative. But in general, Chinese culture and Chinese people, it's all amazing. It's a pleasure to be here, it's a pleasure to have good time with Chinese people. Before I came here, I thought it would be, something very unusual. But when I spent 2 weeks here, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, I found out that China is just special. You meet people from all the countries. Especially my experience here, I saw one person from Australia, which is something that I've never seen in my life before. So if you come to Shanghai, you actually see people that we've never seen before, and you get support for next step and all your friends that are here. Shanghai is a good city, it's amazing. Come up here, you won't be disappointed.
I reach, find a way. I'm stuck here in between. I'm looking for the right words.
Well, next step, what is amazing about next step is that I'm getting great support whenever I want it, and it's also a quick support. Because the most important thing is that when you get out of your home country, you want to feel supported when you are abroad. You want to make sure that whatever you want, you actually get support in order to get it. Next step, it's doing a fantastic job supporting me whenever I want, and I like the agency. They gave me the opportunity to get what I wanted, and I'm getting it, and I just feel happy that next step actually helped me to realize my aim goal.
Slowly drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave.